Hey, this is Adam Otiwala, product owner and digital strategist here at Fifth Tribe, and we're talking about our website process. And I'm going over 6 steps that will help you create a website or lead that project in your organization. So first was analytics review. What are your goals? Then looking at your user analysis map. Then the third thing that we just covered was a site map, which is basically like an org chart, information hierarchy of your website. And that's when you get a lot of good feedback. So once you've got that feedback and you have a better idea of what the website should be, we want to go ahead and put it as a wireframe and a user journey map. So those are 2 different sort of artifacts or products that you're going to show your team, but we usually do them together. So the user journey map is basically just saying, I am this user. Let's say the user is someone who's looking to buy some furniture. We've built some furniture websites recently, some e-commerce sites. So you're going to say, from start to finish, what is their journey going to be? You want to start with how will they get to the website? So will it be from a Facebook ad? Will it be from a Facebook post, a blog post, a referral from a friend? And then when they get on the site, what will they see? What is the information they're going to see? When they click on a piece of furniture, what will they see? When they click checkout, what will they see? If it doesn't work, what will they see? And until the transaction is complete, until their experience on your site is complete, what will that journey be? And that's really important because then that identifies some gaps that you might have in your site map or some pages or information that you're missing and that you need to either create content-wise and also design-wise. So once you've sort of outlined that journey for all your different users and you start with how they come to your site, so pre-experience, while they're on your site, while they're going through the pages, and once they leave your site, what is experience they're having, what are the call to actions that they're taking. And so once you've done that, then you sort of take that and the sitemap and you create wireframes. And wireframes are basically you're taking that page, the pages that you've decided that you're going to create, and you're basically putting some shape and some content, some text boxes. And the wireframe is basically an outline, you can say, of your website in pages, and it shows like this is where images will go, this is where videos will go, this is where text will go, this is where a button is going to go, this is where maybe a social media integration will go, this is where 360 video will go, and when someone clicks here, this is where it's going to take them. And here we're going to have a photo collage. And so what this does is now you have basically a skeleton of a website, and you're able to get some really good feedback here. And what we do is with these wireframes is we put them into an interactive prototyping tool. We use InVision, and people can click through it and they can sort of get that journey experience that I was speaking about, that user journey experience. And that way you're able to give people basically a mock feeling of what information they're going to see, how they're going to see it. And you can see where people are confused, where they have no idea what they're looking at. They're not sure why they're even on that page. And that gives you some really good feedback that you can take to your team and sort of revise. And the next, after we do that, we put some graphics onto the page and mock-ups. And that's when we're basically ready to build a website. And that's the next tip.